full second faster than you.
You do have an open gun.
I just want you all to know, to me, that's the most dangerous type of human right there. Little Asian lady, no one's going to think anything of her. They're going to underestimate her, and she's going to smoke their entire team. I'm just saying, she probably beat 80-90% of the industry on this on a stage out here. I guarantee you she would. You don't want to think so, but I guarantee you she would, because I run in docks. I know how good y'all shoot, and 90% of the industry would not see it coming because we just underestimate people like that. That's what this sport will do for you. Let's go. Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.